outside my local Tesla dealership. They just happen to have the Cybertruck on display. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh.
They even got the ATV here too.
I didn't even see that. Look at the bed, it's so huge. It's way longer than I expected it to be. Shoot, look at that. The Cybertruck is basically my dream car. I know a lot of people like to make fun of how ugly it is, but I just had to see it in person. After all this buildup from the announcement all the way to all the production details, I finally got to just see it in the flesh. And you need to believe me, everyone even said this online. It is way different in person, and it's a completely different beast when you actually see it with your own eyes. It's massive. Of course, when you go online, you're gonna visually see it and compare it to an average pickup truck, but no, this is a freaking transformer. Another thing that I didn't notice until I saw it in person was just how shiny and polished it looks. For some reason online, it looks like it would kind of be like a stainless steel fridge, kind of just matte, not that much shine to it, but it's super shiny. And just the lights on the back, the red rim of lights, the big tires, everything, the details are just all there. And they also had the small ATV on display too, and that was super cool. Something that was kind of funny is that they have the Cybertruck there, and of course it's catching everyone's eyes. Everyone wants to take a picture of it. And sitting in the dark corner was a Tesla Optimus bot, a freaking advanced piece of technology. But of course no one cares about that. They don't know what that is. They just see shiny fancy car and they want to go take a picture of it. This was such a cool experience just to see it in person, and it makes me want to own one even more. I want the Cybertruck to be my first car. We'll just have to wait and see on Thursday's event to see all the information about the specs, the pricing, and when we're gonna see the first ones in the wild. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you excited for the Cybertruck? What do you think about how it looks? I know it's 50-50 with most people. Some people think it's super ugly, and some people think it's like the best thing they've ever seen. I think I'm on the side that it's the best thing they've ever seen. It's like one of the coolest pieces of technology and freaking vehicles I've ever seen ever. I need one. Elon Musk, send me one and I'll promise to... What did I tweet about? I tweeted out that if Elon Musk gifts me one for free, I'll only drive Tesla made vehicles for the rest of my life. I stand by that. Elon Musk, give me a Cybertruck, please.